Hi there, Todd Bladen, Wayne Community College. I just wanted to show you something real quick today because a client of mine came in after she just filed her LLC and was so happy, and then started getting this paperwork. And this was the first of 4 that she received. As you can see here, the 2021 Certificate of Existence Request Form. It looks pretty official. You go to the highlighted stuff. Of course, this isn't hers, but if you go there, you see the certificate is not affiliated with any government agency or state agency, and it's noticed as a solicitation for your business. So in other words, they're trying to just get your money. And here's the actual company that's doing this out of North Carolina, the branch of Docs LLC out of Wyoming. But this is one that's been going on for a while now. This was last year in Georgia. So it's been going on for a while. The Secretary of State's knows about it. And they're, report them. If you see something like this, make sure you go here to this information. Generally, a certificate of existence is not usually necessary for most folks once you've incorporated in one way or another. So in North Carolina, don't be fooled. The other thing she brought in, there were 3 others along with it, one from the Department of Labor about getting posters for employees, one for her actual LLC, all of them, jive, phony, fake, scam stuff. Make sure you report them, look them up. If you're not sure, don't pay them because odds are you may not be able to get your money back. So hopefully this information will help you, especially if you just filed or are looking to file your LLC or any sort of incorporation document in North Carolina. Hope we can help you.